Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to work with this beautiful shadow box that my daughter and I found in the dumpster. If you don't know already, if you are new to my channel, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel, Dumpster Chics, is going to be linked in the description box. And if you pay a visit, you will have a lot of fun and you will see the amazing things that we find in the dumpsters. This shadow box came as it is, and with this piece of acetate inserted here inside. Well, there is a place to insert it that is broken, as you can hopefully you can see that it's broken everywhere. So I removed it, and I really don't need it because I'm going to add this beautiful, it has kind of burlap in the bottom. I'm going to remove this, of course, and I'm going to add this beautiful sticker from Dollar Tree. I'm going to adhere it to this piece of cardstock, or yes, it's cardstock, and I'm going to cut it so it's going to be sturdy, because I'm going to adhere it to the background with some pieces to give it some dimension. You will see it later. And I'm also going to use this happy sign from Dollar Tree, and I have to paint it, so I'll be back when everything is ready to put this beautiful DIY together. Okay, I'm back. I have adhered the sticker to the piece of cardstock that I showed you before. I added some Jenga pieces for a 3D effect. I already added this to the background to make sure that I was going to place this image in the right place, not too high, not too low. So now I'm going to add it. I'm going to use hot glue, just a little bit on each piece, and I'm going to include this beautiful sticker inside the frame, like so. A little bit of pressure and this will be done. And what I did with the happy sign, okay, I removed the base. It was just attached with two little screws. I went all around the border with a marker just to make the word and the letters stand out. And now I'm going to adhere it to the border of the frame using also hot glue. A lot to make sure it's perfectly glued. I'm eyeballing. I should have measured, but I'm lazy. I'm the queen of eyeballing. So hopefully I'm doing it the right way, and this is in the middle and center. And yes, I have to add a little bit more white here. Yes. Oh, the hot glue and this kind of webs. Oh my god, they are everywhere. I hate that. Okay. So this is, as you can see, very simple DIY. And I spent just $2 in it because the frame was for free. And I really love it. Of course, the sticker comes with other stickers, other succulents that I have already used. So it's not $1, it's less than $1. But anyway, I think this looks really gorgeous, and it was very easy to make. If you like this DIY, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.